Use of correct prepositions in English sentences. I go to office by bus. He will come before evening. My father will go to Delhi by plane. She is drawing with a pen. The two friends are quarreling between themselves. I go for a walk in the park every morning. This school was established by my grandfather. Saurav is 5 years younger than me. I have been living in this house for 6 months. I will finish this story within this week. I distributed the gifts among the children. I have been reading in this school for 5 years. There are many similarities between you and me. Give this bag to him. This watch is for you. This cake was made by my mother. This mobile phone is made in India. Shubir Babu distributed food among the poor. He cut the rope with a knife. The vegetables are in the fridge. The story was written by him. Will you go with me? He died of dengue. He is the son of an influential person. I have not seen you for years. He will come before the sun sets. He will go to Mumbai within a week. He is the son of a doctor. The child cut his finger with a knife. I was helped by him. Children are playing among themselves. I divided the sweet between the two sisters. Bijoy is in the room. I live in Kolkata. He walked into the class. The doll was made by my mother. There is a white tiger in the zoo. I am going to meet with my father. The house is made of wood. The boy is swimming in the river. The monkey is sitting in the tree. He was writing on the board with a chalk. You are not at office. We went inside a dark house. He left the place with a broken heart. I bought the cake from this shop. My brother is 7 years older than me. I made him agree to go to the function with us. I asked them not to go to the deserted house. We are passing through a jungle. Journey by train is comfortable. On the way, I met with my teacher. My brother is coming back from school. The bag is on the chair. My uncle has sent for me. The girl ran towards the park. The baby is looking at me. It has been raining since yesterday. He is not known to me. The old man has been admitted to the hospital for 10 days. Every member of this club is known to me. The workers have received 2 months' salary in advance. I borrowed 2000 rupees from him 2 years back. My father is not talking to me. I have read 10 pages of this book until now. I borrowed a pen from my brother. The rich man did not show any kindness to the poor. It has been raining since yesterday. I am not angry with you. The boy is looking at his mother. The child ran towards its mother. My friend borrowed the book from me. There are 10 books kept on the table. My mother has faith in God. The ailing man is lying on the cot. The pen is on the chair. Besides German, he is also learning French. Do you have tea without sugar? I do not know anyone here except you. There is no one in his life except his parents. You cannot achieve success without hard work. None but Suresh could answer the question. Besides being a good singer, she was also a good dancer. We cannot live without water. There was water in the river above the knee. I have sympathy for him. A flock of pigeons flew away over my head. The minister has enough influence over the authority. My grandfather is over 80. The headmaster entered the class. The old man is sitting under a tree. I filled the bottle with water. My mother is angry with me. The headmaster sent for him because he had been coming to school late for a few days. He is a good friend of mine. It has been raining since morning. Everyone in our party was surprised. He wished that he did not have to go to school. My mother is not talking to me. She has made it in 5 days.